Hi, this is Jain Boon, and this is video number 3. And I just want to invite you to reflect on how you nurture yourself and really kind of thinking about ourselves being made up of many parts. So thinking about how do we pay attention and nurture each of those parts of ourselves. And Thomas Scovalt and Michelle Trotter Matheson describe the parts as our emotional self, financial self, the humorous self, the loving self, the nutritious self, the physical self, the playful self, the priority setting self, the recreational self, the relaxation stroke stress reduction self, the solitary self, and the spiritual or religious self. So I am inviting you to reflect on which parts of the personal self do you believe are in good shape? So which parts of your personal self out of that list do you think are in good shape? You might want to just make some notes around that. And then I'd like you to also think about the parts of yourself that need a little bit of a fine tune. Now, maybe need a little bit of attention right now. And then when you've done that, I'd like you to be really honest and think about which parts of your personal self are in need of a major overhaul. Just something to reflect on. The parts of ourselves that make us who we are.